Alright, boys. What's going on, boys? It's your boy Taylor back with another video. We are at a haunted pig farm. Jesus, look at that. Abandoned. Haunted abandoned pig farm.
Big slaughterhouse, lady. Hopefully we can find some goodies.
Yes.
Oh my god, it's the bell.
Holy fuck.
That's how you know. Supper time.
Look. Fucking mosquitoes.
That's what I was talking about. It's the old train.
Oh.
Train,
No train there. Where they used to keep all the pigs.
Before they slit their throats. Let's keep walking till we find.
What the fuck? This is crazy. This is crazy.
You amused? What?
What?
You amused?
Yeah. Look.
They have a lot of them. They have a lot of them. You know, she makes it better. Keep going with it. One. Why is it keep going? Oh my god. You can see the cages in here.
Ooh.
This is hella tilted.
Jesus.
There's probably pig guts in that.
Gross.
Yummy.
Gross.
Looks like shrimp.
Oh yes, bye.
Take your 4 liter in there.
Oh yeah. FTB. The bitch.
Fuck board.
First on ground. Freaking mosquitoes, man. Holy shit. I have no idea.
Let's go back and then go in. I actually want to explore this place inside.
Guys, this is crazy, man.
Yeah?
Alright.
You're gonna go through it?
Yeah. Alright, so we're in. So this is where all the pigs used to be. So this is where the pigs used to be. Before they always get slaughtered. So, I mean, it's fucking gross. And it's haunted, so keep watching out for that. Keep watching out for the video. The fun part's coming soon.